um yeah, I'm recording with my voice today, and I've never done this before, so I'm a little nervous. But basically this video, it's basically in the title. It's how to make custom counters, or with new stuff, that is. And I was making this counter. You can make the other person do an animation, which I found really cool. This is what I made earlier, and I thought it was really cool. It's like you dodge twice, and then it's a gut punch, and it's really cool. You're probably wondering how you make this, or how like it works in general. And basically, it's actually not that hard. So all the animations that you're gonna do are gonna be here, or just in general where you want to put them. But then like the ones that you want the other person to do, put them up like above the one that you're using. If you want, here I can just make like just like an example really quick. So let's say we want to do a counter that involves you dodging multiple times, like a ultra instinct type of move. Like let's say I get you get whatever I just made. I don't even know what I just did. So, and then once you have the animation you want them to do, you do this, and then you turn that to 1. Then you get your hit block. But this is, I put it at 100 because I'm not really good at what the sizes are. So I just put it at this because I know it hits. But basically you do this, and then you go near them, and then yeah, that's basically it. Like it's like you make your own cutscenes basically is what you're doing. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Yeah.